DJ Mike C on the track.
Cause that be natural.
Lady D.
I ain't looking tacky. I keep my game tacky.
Yo,
yeah, I'm so nappy. Cause that be natural.
The infamous.
I ain't looking tacky. Cause I keep my game tacky.
I'm so pretty, I'm so fabu, I'm so nappy, it's like it's a taboo. I'm so filthy, got the tattoo, fucking these bitches like I own ragu. On my business with my platoon, getting these minutes like I'm a typhoon. Y'all is cheering on that cartoon, and I'm sitting on top of these buffoons. I'm so nappy, I'm so nappy. All these dudes that wanna get at me, I'm so cultured and I'm happy. Jealous witches wanna come back me, cause I'm comfortable in my skin. End of the day, you lose, I win. I'm so comfortable in my ends, don't care if I make or lose a few friends.
Hey guys, and welcome back to Airfros and Babyhairs, and today we are going to be washing and styling Robin's hair, focusing more on the styling. I did do the washing process over on our Rumble channel if y'all want to check that out. So on this video I'm just showing you guys the takedown process and then styling. So yeah, if you're interested in seeing what we're doing and what type of style we're going to come up with her, I did use to saturate her hair because that works really well for her hair. It's promoting a lot of hair growth, and also I did do a aloe vera treatment on her hair as well during the deep conditioning process. However, like I said, you can check that out over on our Rumble channel because she has been having a lot of dandruff and it's getting to the point where it almost looks fungal. So I was like, I need to really do something about that. I had been doing the Aztec clay treatments and they work. However, by the time it's time for wash day again, she's having these big flakes again. So we're testing out this aloe vera. I may have to combine the two, the Aztec clay as well as the aloe vera, but we'll see how it goes and flows. But yeah, that's basically what I'm doing in these particular clips, is just preparing her for the wash. So yeah. So right here, guys, we have completed the washing. I've also moisturized her hair and did the first half of her head. So on these clips, I am showing you the other side, and what we decided to come up with was a protective style. Although, you know, she is a young adult, I still want to protect her hair as much as possible without making her look like a little kid. So we go for protective styles, mainly because it is so hot out here and I don't want the sun drying out her hair prematurely. So we try to stick with protective styles, that way her hair can stay moisturized even with the harsh weather out here. but at the same time we're going for styles that complement her age and her own personal style. So that's what we're coming up with on this clip, and you all will see the finished product. So yeah. So basically what we came up with is a 2-part chain braids with 3-strand twist into little buns in the back. I think that is a very appropriate style for her age and her own personal style that she, her signature look. So that's what we came up with. It's a really easy style, and this will last for a few days. So this is the final look, and I do want to thank you all for checking us out and hanging out with us while we complete this process. We appreciate you all, and we look forward to seeing you all on the next one. Peace and love, and as always, be blissful. And this is her final look for that particular day. So yeah, guys, thanks so much, and see you on the next one. Peace.
DJ Mike C on the track.
Cause that be natural.
Lady D.
Ain't looking tacky. I keep my game tacky.
Yo,
Yeah, I'm so nappy. Cause that be
the
natural. Ain't
infamous.
looking tacky. Cause I keep my game tacky.
I'm so pretty, I'm so fabu, I'm so nappy, it's like it's a taboo. I'm so filthy, got the tattoo, fucking these bitches like I own ragu. On my business with my platoon, getting these minutes like I'm a typhoon. Y'all is cheering on that cartoon, and I'm sitting on top of these buffoons. I'm so nappy, I'm so nappy. All these dudes that wanna get at me, I'm so cultured and I'm happy. Jealous witches wanna come back me, cause I'm comfortable in my skin. End of the day, you lose, I win. I'm so profitable in my ends, don't care if I make or lose a few friends. And I look like $1 trillion. Lady D won a lotto, cause in the Lord I trust. And beauty is the motto. Naturally thick in the butt, I'm Billy Blanks on the Tabo. Edges a little rough, just pretend I'm from Morocco. Organ all up in my hair, cause I let my locks grow naturally. My curls popping everywhere, I'm maximizing on this natural thing.